Welcome to the enchanting land of Shillong and Meghalaya. Nestled amidst the soaring peaks of the eastern Himalayas, this corner of northeast India is a realm of unparalleled natural beauty. We'll embark on a journey through breathtaking landscapes, from plunging waterfalls and emerald green valleys to ancient forests shrouded in mist and legend. Be amazed by the ingenuity of nature and the warmth of the local people. Our journey begins in Cherrapunji, synonymous with rainfall. Perched atop a ridge overlooking the plains of Bangladesh, this town is one of the wettest places on earth, with countless waterfalls cascading down sheer cliffs. Discover the marvels of living root bridges, ancient structures woven from living tree roots, spanning rivers and canyons. Our next stop takes us to the captivating Elephant Falls, a three-tiered cascade that tumbles down moss-covered rocks amidst a verdant paradise. Listen closely and you'll hear nature's orchestra, the thunderous roar of the water, the gentle rustling of leaves, and the melodic chirping of birds. Prepare to be awestruck by the mighty Nokkalikai Falls, the tallest waterfall in India. From over 1100 feet, a ribbon of white water plummets into a turquoise pool, creating a roar that echoes through the rainforest. Our journey takes us to the tranquil shores of Umiam Lake, a man-made reservoir integral to Meghalaya's landscape. Surrounded by rolling hills blanketed in pine forests, the lake shimmers like a giant emerald mirror, reflecting the azure sky above. Delve into Meghalaya's cultural heritage at the Don Bosco Museum, a treasure trove of artifacts showcasing the rich history of Northeast India's indigenous tribes. Step inside and be transported to a world of intricate weavings, vibrant costumes, and traditional instruments. Our journey takes us deep into the heart of the Mauflang Sacred Forest, a sanctuary revered by the Khasi people for centuries. Amidst towering trees draped in moss and ferns, the air hums with a tangible sense of peace and tranquility. Welcome to Shillong, the vibrant capital of Meghalaya, often referred to as the Scotland of the East for its rolling hills and colonial charm. Explore the bustling streets lined with colonial-era buildings, savor the aroma of freshly brewed tea and coffee, and immerse in the lively local markets. Our adventure takes us to Balpakram National Park, a biodiversity hotspot in southern Meghalaya. Amidst dense forests and pristine rivers, you'll find diverse flora and fauna, including clouded leopards and colorful hornbills. Hey there, let's dive into this amazing marvel of nature and human ingenuity. It's truly awe-inspiring, don't you think? A testament to the ingenuity of nature and the Khasi people. This structure is woven from the aerial roots of Indian rubber trees spanning the Umxiang River. Our adventure takes us beneath the earth to the fascinating Mosmai Cave, a labyrinth of stalactites, stalagmites, and otherworldly rock formations sculpted by water erosion. As you venture deeper, guided by your headlamp, you will feel a sense of awe and wonder. And there you have it, Explore Shillong and Meghalaya's waterfalls, green valleys, ancient forests, and vibrant cities. This region offers a sensory feast for the soul. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel content. Follow and subscribe for more travel tips and use this knowledge for future travel. Until next time, happy travels.